Breaking news! A volcano is about to erupt. We only have a few seconds to live. Yeah. And I'm a scientist. Hello. I'm Dr. Einstein. So yeah, we only have a few seconds to live.
Actually, a few minutes.
Well, kind of.
Missy, go away.
That's our hunting dog. She sees if volcanoes.
She's not a poodle. Okay. Oh, it's in another bag. Nice. I need scissors for this. Go get the scissors.
Hold the camera. I'm so sorry about it. The volcano is about to erupt.
Sorry guys about this. We're not really prepared, but we think it's funny. Hello, my hunter dog. Missy! Come here. Missy, what's this?
Here we go.
What's this? Okay, here. Here. Right. Never fear. 2 people are here.
We're all gonna die!
Oh yeah.
Butter!
Right. We're gonna have to finish stand back.
Why?
Because as soon as I got this in, I got to screw the top on, and then run.
I'm alright, I have goggles. Ready? Come on, put it on. Run, run! Come on, run! Woo!
The volcano is erupting! So closer, man. Oh, it didn't work properly. I did, yeah, that's funny.
I've got an idea.
Let me put some more powder in.
Goes. Oh no! They didn't kill much people, but
We survived it.
it's gonna happen again!
We're miracle workers.
Get ready for the second erupt.
I don't think it'll work.
Shake it.
No.
Oh, no.
It
Right.
needs clean vinegar.
Goodbye, YouTube. Like, comment, and
We
subscribe.
survived! And next time, video the volcano erupting and
Okay.
survive.
Bye.
Bye.